guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm filming on both of my accounts currently. My first account is on my tablet, which I am currently filming on, and my second account is on my phone. So let's do the unboxing of this water squishy, y'all. And look, ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm not opening. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Now, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ready? This is a water filled, and this is a air filled. Ready? And yes, I already opened this one. 3, 2. The skin is so sticky. Wait, where's the glue? I wonder what this is. It's like a peacock. Ready? Ready? It's so sticky. Ready? Wait, I'm obsessed. Guys, I don't like the smell, but so good. It has a lot of like skin. Oh, and air. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at the air now. Ready? Let's do some ASMR with both of my Britney squishies. Let's first start off with the older one, which is this axolotl furry one. Oh. Okay, that's enough of this one. Now let's move on to my newer one. This is like a peacock. Wait. Ready? 3, 2, 1. That is so good. It's so sticky. Ready? I love the way it sounds. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Like this. Thanks. Look really good. See the air? So look at its cute little face. This is it of my haul. Stay tuned for both of my channels. Sorry, one of my channel, which is my main account. I'm gonna post on that one a lot more than my second account. My main channel, we are going to be doing a back to school haul for high school year. I'm so scared, guys. 2026-2027 back to school haul. And yes, I will be featuring these little guys. If they don't pop, yeah. I got them from Walmart. I found these. These are like someone's hidden stash, bro. So ready? And I'm currently watching Descendants of Wicked Wonderland. This is my second time watching this video. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you want to know my second account's name is, it's called lowercase I, lowercase t, a comma at the top, then a lowercase s, then a dash at the bottom, then it's U, lowercase r, under dash, like a dash at the bottom. Then it's lowercase g, lowercase u, lowercase r, lowercase l. And that's my channel. It's if you want, my profile picture is this picture with it's cherries with hearts. It's a pink background with cherries and bows. Either cherries and bows or cherries with hearts. I forgot. I think it's cherries with bows though. But the one's on my phone. Yeah, that's, and how you say it is, it's your girl. Yeah, my It's Your Girl channel is on my phone, and my Candy Hot Pop account is on my iPad. So thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry, this video is a little long. You know, it was just an unboxing, but thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. Mwah.